Welcome friends to SFS. वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर जीतू मिश्रा। मेरे साथ में आज निखिल मेहता है। निखिल, कितना टाइम हो गया आते हुए?
So it's been 1.5 weeks.
1.5 weeks। कितने सेशन कर लिए?
So today was my fourth session.
हम्म,
So I used to live in Canada for like 3 years, and I was a YouTube fan, so I was following Dr. Q Hightower in YouTube. Then I took one session in Canada for the chiropractic therapy because in Canada majority of the jobs are standing jobs. So when I was in Canada, I had very bad back pain in my lower back, and then I went for the therapy, but I couldn't continue it further due to COVID. And then I came to India, and I was looking for the chiropractic surgeon, and I found him in nearby location. And then I came and had a few sessions with him, and I'm very satisfied with it. Nowadays, as you know, that due to COVID, everyone is sitting at home and the sports activities are less. So I recently started playing badminton. So I realized my back is quite stiff and it was quite rigid. So after taking few sessions with him, I can play very smoothly, and now I can like do some flexible moves, hit quite powerful smashes, and it's a quite relief.
But his primary problems are solved. Now he needs to improve better with his strength, weight and everything else so he can be pain free. ऐसा नहीं हो कि इसको लाइफ में बार बार इन सब चीज़ों से गुजरना पड़े। ऑफ कोर्स ये हमारे पास में आए या किसी भी कायरोप्रैक्टर के पास में जाए, बट ये सिर्फ एडजस्टमेंट के लिए जाए, पेन के लिए ना जाए। आप सब भी जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, जब आप बीमारी लेके आते हो तो आपको नंबर ऑफ सेशंस की ज़रूरत है। जब आप बीमारी नहीं लेके आते हो, खाली स्टिफनेस लेके आते हो, तो आप खाली एडजस्टमेंट करा के भी जा सकते हो, जैसे कि यूएस या कनाडा में। क्योंकि लोग सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ नहीं आते। शियाटिका में लोग आते हैं, हमसे बोलते हैं कि आप एडजस्टमेंट करोगे हमारी शियाटिका ठीक हो जाएगी। ऐसा नहीं है, उसके लिए हमें थेरेपी करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए हमें टाइम देना पड़ता है। बट जब खाली स्टिफनेस के साथ आओगे, जैसे आपने बताया लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर इनटू स्टैंडिंग जॉब, अब बैक फटीग हो गई है, दैट कैन बी इज कंफर्टेबली बाय जस्ट दी एडजस्टमेंट। अब मैं आपको जल्दी से दिखाता हूँ एडजस्टमेंट इसका, लेटेंगे
जी।
Hands down, relax, easy. Out, nice. टर्न करेंगे मेरी तरफ।
Yeah.
Relax, पाँव नीचे। Relax, easy. ना शोल्डर पीछे मत ले जाओ, शोल्डर।
Yeah.
Relax, easy. Relax, छोड़ो। Okay, other side. You wanna help me? Just relax. Relax. Breathe out. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Put your legs down.
Okay.
And kneel down. I'll do the y-axis for you as you. Sorry, huh? Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Easy. Oh. Easy.
Good relief.
तो मैं एक चीज तो बोलूँगा कि your spine has a very restricted mobility in general. So you need to work a lot on the mobility exercises. Having better physical नहीं चलेगा। जब मैं y-axis कर रहा था, मेरे को movement नहीं कर रहा था। पता चलेगा कि इसमें कोई movement नहीं है। बाकी लोग movement देखकर पूरा stretch होता है।
experience with them, and I recommend that instead of taking massages, you should go and visit chiropractic surgeon and do a quite toughing session with him. And a lot of cracks, as you know, adjustments are very important for your regular life.
So thanks for watching us. If you like the channel, if you like the content, subscribe us, keep supporting us. Share it with as many people as you can. Thank you.